In police service.
Okay, Indian Police Service. You wanna be a IPS officer. Okay. Hello, ma'am. What is your name?
Hello, sir. My name is Lakshmi.
Okay. So, Lakshmi, how old are you?
I am 13-year-old.
Okay. Where do you reside?
I reside at Gholepur in Fatehgarh.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. My name is Lakshmi. I reside at Gholepur and Fatehgarh. Let me tell you.
Look at this camera.
Let me tell you something about my family. I am belong to nuclear family with 5 members, including me. Let me tell you something about my education. I just completed class 7th. Now I'm studying in class 8th in St. Paul's Brighton Academy. Apart from this, England Institute English course. Now
I'm learning English speaking course.
I'm learning English speaking course. Let me tell you something about my hobbies. My hobbies are traveling and reading storybooks. I want to become an IPS officer. It was all about myself. Thank you.
Okay. So, Lakshmi, how do you come to England Institute?
On my foot.
Okay. What about your father? What is he doing?
He is doing business and job also.
Okay. So, what about your mother? What is she doing?
She is a homemaker.
Okay. Do you get your eyebrows set?
No, sir.
No, I don't get my.
No, I don't get my everything.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Azba.
What is the name of your best friend?
Azba.
Asba. What is he doing?
She is studying.
Okay.
Ravi sir is my best teacher.
Okay. Did you used to speak English before joining England Institute?
I didn't use to speak English before joining England Institute.
How long have you been speaking English?
I
How long?
3 months.
Okay. पूरा बोलिए. I have been speaking
I have been
English.
speaking English for 3 months.
Okay. And what is your how many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings.
What about your brother? What is he doing?
He is studying.
In which class is he studying?
He is studying in class 6.
Okay. What is your strong subject?
Nothing.
What is your weak subject?
Math.
Math.
I have been living in Farkawad since my birth.
Okay. And what do you do in your free time?
I chat with my friends.
Okay. Do you use Instagram?
No, I don't use Instagram.
Okay. Can you dance?
I don't dance.
Okay. How do you watch movies?
I don't watch movies.
Do you watch serials?
I don't watch serials.
Do you appreciate music?
I appreciate music but little bit.
Okay. Who is your favorite singer?
No one is my favorite singer.
Okay. So Lakshmi, and speak something about England Institute. How are you feeling after
England
joining England Institute?
England Institute is very good institute. Is based in Farkawad. Ravi sir is the director of England Institute. I'm feeling very good and fabulous. Join England Institute. It was all about England Institute.
Okay. So will you recommend your friends to join England Institute?
Yes, I recommend my friends will join England Institute.
Okay. Where is your school situated?
My school situated at
My school is situated.
my school is situated at कहाँ पे है? Loku Road.
Luku Road. Okay. And where do you belong to? Where do you belong to? आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं?
I belong to Farkawad.
Okay. Where do you reside?
I reside at Gholepur and Fatehgarh.
Okay. And what about your sister? What is she doing?
She is studying in class 4th.
Do you fight with your sisters?
Yes, sir. I fight with my sister.
Okay. So when do you fight with your sisters?
I don't know.
बोलो जब मौका मिलता है.
Whenever I get chance, I fight my sister.
I fight with my sister.
I fight with my sister.
What time do you get up early in the morning?
I get up early in the morning at 6 a.m.
What time do you go to your school?
I go to my school at 7:45.
How many hours do you study at your home?
I study 1 hour at my home.
Only 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Do you think 1 hour is sufficient?
No, sir.
Okay. So will you increase your time? What do you wanna be?
I wanna be an IPS officer.
What is the full form of IPS? Do you
Indian
know?
Police Service.
Okay, Indian Police Service. You wanna be a IPS officer. Okay. So in which class are you studying?
I study in class 8th.
Okay. So who is your principal?
My principal name is Mr. Rodishan Rizal.
Okay. Is he Christian?
Yes, sir. He is Christian.
Okay. Are you Christian?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you from Farkabad?
Yes, sir.
पूरा बोलिए. I am from
I
Farkabad.
am from Farkabad.
Okay. So do you know Sware? Who is Sware?
Swar is my cousin.
Okay. Can he speak English?
He can speak English.
Do you fight with Sware?
Yes, sir. I fight with Swar.
Okay. So who wins? कौन जीतता है? आप की वो.
Swar.
Sware wins. Who is strong? You are strong or Sware is strong?
Swar.
Okay. So what is your favorite dish?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No, sir.
कुछ भी नहीं.
नहीं.
कुछ तो होगा ना.
सर थोड़ा थोड़ा है मोमोज बस.
Okay. And what is your so are you feeling embarrassed?
No, sir. I am feeling not embarrassed.
Do you eat almonds?
I don't eat almond.
Do you eat dry foods?
I eat dry foods but little.
Little bit. What time do you go to your do you go to gym?
No, sir. I don't go to gym.
Do you do the exercise?
I don't do the exercise.
Do you do the yoga?
I don't do the yoga.
Do you do morning walk?
I don't do morning walk.
So will you do morning walk?
I will do morning walk
When will you do morning walk?
whenever I get chance.
Okay. And so have you ever gone to Nainital?
I am not ever gone to Nainital.
I have never gone to Nainital.
I have never gone to Nainital.
Have you ever been in a mental asylum?
No, sir. I have never been in mental asylum.
Okay. And when do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday in 1st July.
In 1st July.
On 1st July.
On 1st July. So will you invite us?
Yes, sir. I invite.
Okay. Do you want a gift?
No, sir.
Okay. You don't want a gift. Do you want a chocolate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where will you celebrate your birthday?
I don't know.
Will you celebrate your birthday at any restaurant or at your home?
The restaurant we home.
Okay, you don't know. Okay. So are you confident in English?
Yes, sir.
Who do you speak English with?
I speak English with my friends.
Okay. So guys, बढ़िया था इनका. Yeah, please clap for her.